Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can test your vehicle's battery using both a multimeter and a load tester. This is an excerpt from a video I shot not too long ago titled How to Quickly Fix Your Car If It Doesn't Start, and I'll leave a link to that video here if you're interested. So this is an excerpt from that video, so if you're having issues with your battery, stay tuned.
All right, we're back on the vehicle now. I'm gonna use my multimeter to check the voltage on this battery. A fully charged battery should give you a voltage of about 12.6. And I want to check that. So I have my multimeter tool here. Gonna set this down right here. I'm gonna just check the voltage on this battery. I'm gonna connect to the positive side and the negative side, and I'm reading 12.7 volts. So that's a good initial check. That battery does look like it's fully charged at 12.7 volts. Now let's move on to the next test. Next test we're going to do is what's called a load test. Here's my load tester right here. When my father-in-law took this to the auto parts store, I'm assuming they did a similar test. They have a more sophisticated load tester, but what all this test does, it's one thing for your battery to put out a static voltage, but what does it do when it's under a load? Can it handle the load of the vehicle? And that's what this is gonna help represent for us. So let's connect this, turn our switch, and do a load test and see what it comes back with. So we got our load tester hooked up, and just like we saw with the multimeter, this load tester is saying that when it comes to just resting voltage, this battery is putting out good. That needle is in the green region. So that's good. So now I'm going to flip this switch down here. And what this switch does, it represents a load on the battery. And when I flick this switch, just keep your eyes on where that needle goes. That needle goes down to the weak area. That means the battery is weak. Also, we need to look at cold cranking amps too, to make sure we keep up with that. This is 600, so it's down there. All right. So let's flick this switch and see what happens here. All right. So y'all saw what I saw. When we flicked that switch, that needle went down to weak. So this test would indicate that this battery isn't bad, but it is weak. All right, I'm gonna do it one more time. And we're down in the weak area. This is a 650 cold cranking amps battery, and we're right there at the weak area. Really don't want to see it go down that low. So, but is it weak enough for the car not to start? That's another thing. But this test came back that this battery is weak. It could be weak because we not charged it. Could be weak because it's lost the charge. So we need to just file that in the back of our mind as we proceed.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.